Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, and it's time to start thinking about that backyard remodel. So I'm going to show you 30 different backyards that I've done over the years and talk about what these things actually cost. Because I mean, you see all these pretty videos and magazines, and you go, well, that looks pretty, but what does it actually cost to do this kind of stuff? So we're going to start with basically a price breakdown of what it costs to install it. Not demolish what was there, not install drainage or grading and all those kind of things, but what it is from bare dirt to install something like this, as far as, to keep it simple, a square foot cost. So that way you can kind of look at your square foot of your project and do it in rough calculations. And again, this is based on, Southern California pricing for construction costs as it is right now in 2025. So, adjust these accordingly depending on where you live. So let's start with the least expensive type of patio, just a simple gravel patio, gravel or decomposed granite. That's going to come in about 6 to 10, depending on how fancy the gravel. Then there's regular concrete. Plain regular concrete, $8 to $10 a square foot, and then it starts going up a little bit. If you add a little bit of that concrete with the tile trim, now you're talking closer to $12. If you start doing cool expansion joints there, it's going to be a little bit more. And then finally we get into really fun shapes, and concrete is really great for these kind of fun shapes. That'll keep bumping it up closer to 12. And then finally colored concrete, which we'll talk about a little bit more, adds another dollar or two to it. Another one is tile. Now there's a couple different kinds of tile out there that are good for outdoor usage. This is quartzite tile. Quartzite tile is really great because it has really good slip resistance. It's nice and rough, so it's good for areas that might get damp, like by a pool or from outdoor condensation. Also, here's a flagstone. Now, flagstone is a relatively inexpensive material, but it's expensive to install, as you've seen in some of my other flagstone videos, and that's why it costs that 25 to 30 a square foot. You can also kind of do with the artificial turf mixed in. That's kind of a cool look, kind of an old world look. Here's another kind of tile. This is ceramic tile, $15 to $25. And again, these tile prices do not include the concrete the tile has to be put on top of, because you do have to install tile on the concrete. Synthetic decks, Trex, TimberTech, really great for weather resistance, really great around jacuzzis. I've done 3 or 4 of these where we do jacuzzi decks made out of Trex or TimberTech. Travertine, another kind of tile. Now, this tile really has a really beautiful look to it in that it has some interesting color. You can also do it like this, where we did grids with the artificial turf as well. And then, again, when you're mixing the turf and the tile, it's going to increase the cost a little bit. Lots of different ones out there. This one's more of a porcelain tile, but it comes in the really big pieces, so it's a really beautiful look. Concrete with color. Now, I mentioned before you can add color to concrete. There are about 20 different Davis color concretes, so definitely check out the link in the comment section and get more ideas on these Davis colors. But then you can do all kinds of really great colors with the concrete. Decomposed granite is really nice for kind of those casual looks. It's also more affordable, again, $6 to $10 a square foot, and you can get it with stabilizer mixed in, so it's nice and hard and compact. Now, before we get to my favorite material for outdoor patios, backyard patios, let's just quickly look at a couple more to give you some more ideas. Here's some wood decks. This is the Kumaru. This is Ipe. Different kinds of wood decks. You can do that. Flagstone, again, you can mix it with some Diamondia. That's kind of a fun look. Or creeping thyme is also nice to mix with flagstone. Tile, another one is patio tile, very common here in Southern California for that old Spanish look. You can even recycle concrete, and you busting up a concrete patio, flip it over, stain it with a concrete stain. You could have some kind of fun ideas with that. And then flagstone with gravel is another neat look. Now, you might want to make sure you either use an epoxy or just accept that you're going to have those little gravel pebbles migrating around. And by the way, number one, in case you hadn't guessed it, was pavers. My favorite material to use for landscape patios, backyard patios, pathways are pavers. Wide range of color combinations. And again, there are links in the video description to take you to a bunch of different paver manufacturers to show you all the possibilities. Also, do lots of curvy shapes. Get a little more a lot more cuts if you're doing it with the curves. But again, you can also mix the colors. Like, oh, look at this color. This is just a wonderful color combination. Really unusual. Add some fun character to your backyard. That was a Bellegarde color, by the way. Again, check out those links to see all the different pavers. They're just such a wide range of colors and textures, and it is a permeable material, and that's one of the reasons I do love it. You don't have quite the runoff issues you have with concrete, and so that's why half of my backyard jobs I end up using pavers because I just love the looks of these. Here's one where we did a combination with a putting green, really fun. Well, that's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of these garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.